5-minute tax guides from your 5-minute tax guy. Short lessons to help you navigate the treacherous, hazardous, and totally unpredictable U.S. federal tax code. One of the biggest problems that individuals have at tax time each year is finding out where they can go to get answers to their tax questions. In the first video in this series, we covered the topic of when are my taxes due. On the next screen, you'll see other common questions that are asked by taxpayers. Some common questions taxpayers ask include, when are my taxes due? Can I file an extension, and what does that mean? Do I have to file a tax return? Is my Social Security benefits taxed? How long should I keep past tax records? When will my refund come? What is self-employment tax, and why do I have to pay it? How do I prepare a tax return? Who should I hire to do my tax return? Do I owe a penalty for not having health insurance? How can I pay my tax owed? How much should I have withheld from my paychecks? What is my filing status? In this video, we'll cover the topics, do I have to file? In this video and others, we'll tackle each of these questions as briefly, but as thoroughly as we can, without getting overly technical or wordy. Let's be honest, nobody likes a pretentious tax snob. Do I have to file? The short and simple answer to this question is yes. If you have income, then you have to file an income tax return. Of course, we all know that in the world of taxes, nothing is short and simple. So let's get into the nuts and bolts of that question. The first thing you have to determine before you decide if you need to file is your income taxable income? What is taxable income? This is actually a fairly simple question with a fairly simple answer, within the bounds of simpleness allowed by tax code. I know, I made that word up. The answer to the question, what is taxable income, is but wait, don't panic. Okay, when I said that all income is taxable, what I meant was all income that is not specifically exempt from tax. There, feel better now? It is far easier to talk about what is not subject to income tax than to try to cover what is taxable. Types of income that are not subject to federal income tax may include the following: gifts and inheritances, life insurance proceeds, child support, certain veterans' benefits, insurance reimbursements for medical expenses not previously deducted, some welfare payments if the benefits are need-based, compensatory damages for personal physical injury or illness. This does not include punitive damages. Workers' compensation, please do not confuse this with unemployment benefits, which are taxable, and some qualified pension distributions for public safety officers. For more information, you can Google search IRS Publication 525. You can also refer to my 5-minute video entitled, oddly enough, What is Income?, which covers this subject in much greater detail. To go to that video, click the link in the upper right corner of this screen. Once you've determined that your income is taxable, then you need to decide if the amount of your income is above the filing threshold for your filing status and age. 5 factors determine whether you must file a return and how much you can earn before you have to do so. Are you someone else's dependent? What's your filing status? How old are you? Are you blind? And what was your gross income for the year? That's it for this session, and thanks for watching the video. Be sure to click the subscribe button on the next screen to keep informed on upcoming tax changes. For more great 5-minute tax guides, check out the other videos in my 5-minute tax guide video series. See the list in the description below this video.